Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore a database from Heroku Postgres backups, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore a database from Heroku Postgres backups, start by logging into your Heroku account. Open your terminal or command prompt. Use the Heroku CLI to access your app by typing Heroku apps. Locate the name of the app associated with your database. Next, fetch the list of available backups by typing Heroku PG backups. Review the backup list to identify the backup version you want to restore. Once you have the version, type Heroku PG backups, download app your app name backup B001. Replace B001 with the specific backup version you wish to restore. This command will download the backup file to your local machine. After the download completes, you need to restore the backup to your database. Use the command Heroku PG backups restore https://path to your backup file data. Make sure to replace https://path to your backup file with the actual path of your downloaded backup file. Confirm the restoration process when prompted. The restoration may take some time, depending on the size of your database. You can monitor the progress in your terminal. Once the process is complete, check the status by typing Heroku PG info app your app name. This should confirm that your database is up and running. Finally, verify the data in your application to ensure everything has been restored correctly. Following these steps ensures a smooth restoration of your Heroku Postgres database from backups. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.